Welcome to Car Trend. Today we're reviewing the highly anticipated Morris Minor 2025. The Morris Minor's exterior design is retro-inspired, blending classic lines with modern touches. Its iconic shape, chrome accents, and 16-inch alloy wheels evoke a sense of nostalgia. Step inside, and you'll find a cozy cabin with premium leather seats, a 7-inch touchscreen display, and advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. Under the hood, the Morris Minor packs a punch with its 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, producing 135 horsepower and 165 lb-ft of torque. The 6-speed manual transmission and front-wheel drive ensure smooth acceleration. We took the Morris Minor for a spin, and were charmed by its handling and responsiveness. The car corners agilely and brakes confidently. In terms of performance, the Morris Minor goes from 0-60 mph in just 8.2 seconds and reaches a top speed of 120 mph. Pricing for the Morris Minor 2025 starts at around $20,000 for the base model, reaching $25,000 for the fully loaded limited edition model. Overall, the Morris Minor 2025 is an exceptional retro-style hatchback that combines charm, efficiency, and value. Whether cruising city streets or navigating winding roads, this car delights. Thanks for watching Car Trend. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews.